What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm back with some more Cut the Rope level walkthroughs, this time kicking it off with level 1 on the Fabric box, which is the second box in the Cut the Rope game. We had just got done with the first box, which is Cardboard box, and if you missed that and didn't get to see any of the walkthroughs, or you still have some levels on your screen that need to be 3-starred, go ahead and check that out. I will link a full playlist with all my Cut the Rope walkthroughs at the top of the description, and you can check it out for whatever levels you need. Hopping into this first level here, this is kind of just like a fun tutorial level, kind of just showing you the mechanics of the balloons, so you could just press them back and forth and have them swing, and then also have the bottom one be pressed as well so the candy can go up and get that last candy. You kind of just got to play around with it, and then eventually with the balloons, angle it so that the momentum of the candy is in the right direction of Omnom, and then you should be able to get it so that it swings right into his mouth. You might mess up a couple times or two and have it go past him, but that is quite alright. You get the general gist of it, and you will be able to get it your second or third time if you manage to fail. And that's all there is to it, to the first level of Fabric Box on Cut the Rope. Like I said, if you did need help on any other levels, check my playlist linked at the top of the description down below. But if you did find this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.